come do hair with me with D Hair Cave. You already know, so I'm going ahead and bleaching these knots. And she got this wig from Amazon, so guess what? Them knots did not budge, but it's okay because I made it work and I plucked the mess out of that thing. And I had so much hair after I plucked it. This girl had some super thick hair, and I wanted to bite my nails off, but I said, no, we're going to keep it cute, keep it professional. And we're going to put that cap on. I put some even on. Then she had a yellow undertone, so I went ahead and picked a makeup that really fit her undertone because they make a big difference. So I told her, hey, I'm going to be in your grill for a minute because I'm going to be putting this wig on, you know. Boom. Slapped it on. And I could tell she was already feeling herself. Like, I'm like, girl, look at you. I see you. So this wig is from Amazon. That's okay because it's hit or miss with Amazon wigs. I put as much mousse on it as I could, and it still kind of gave like this big look. But it's cute. She liked the natural look. She didn't want no baby hairs, and it definitely ate